talk about space, you talk about time. Abstract terms you throw around just to cross the line. A screen of words to hide the things you don't know. A cheap excuse to keep your secrets on the low. You place your hand right on my chest, but look away. Stuck in the middle with nothing left to say. I'm speaking up, but you just drift away into the dark. We're just a podcast that you chose to play on mute. What do you mean by love? What do you mean by us? When everything we had is turned to dust. Our eyes are heavy, closing like a slam door. Digital smart locks on an empty floor. You turn the key just to keep your distance now, leaving me behind, trying to figure out how. The ghost of your laughter is bouncing off the wall in this lonely room where we watch the future fall. My mind is spinning out, losing all control, searching for a signal to make my spirit whole. I wanted to hold you close, but my fingers shake in the quiet loud of every breath we take. What do you mean by love? What do you mean by us? When everything we had is turned to dust. Our eyes are heavy, closing like a slam door. Digital smart locks on an empty floor. No more space, no more hours to spend, no words left to describe how we reached the end. You locked me out, you erased my view, living in the shadow of the ghost of you. Turn off the lights, don't make a sound. Nothing but the void spinning around. Nothing but the void. Oh, it hurts so deep. What do you mean by love? Tell me, baby. When everything we had is turned to dust. Screens went black, the fire's losing heat. Two broken hearts skipping to a bitter beat. The final episode of a show we used to love, fading out slow with nothing left above. You just wanna be alone. You all alone. You